Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about high frequency models of a transistor. This is the hybrid pi transconductance model. This model is exists at very high frequencies, and because H parameters becomes complex at high frequencies, this model is used at very high frequencies. So coming to the circuit representation of this model consists of different kinds of resistances such as RBB dash, RB dash E, RCE, RB dash C, and capacitances CE and CC, and a current source GM VB dash E. Here we are having a base spreading resistance called RBB dash, which is exists between B and B dash. B dash is the internal node we have considered, and in between B dash and emitter we are having a resistance called RB dash E, and between B dash and collector we are having a resistance called RB dash C, and between collector and emitter we are having another resistance called RCE. And here the reciprocals of the resistances are called conductances. For RB dash E, GB dash E is the conductance. For RB dash C, GB dash C is the conductance, and for RCE, GC is the conductance. And we are also having two capacitances. One is CC and another one is CE. So this is called hybrid pi model of a transistor. So determination of transconductance GM. Consider a PNP transistor in CE configuration, common emitter configuration, and here VB dash is the base emitter voltage and V is the emitter current. Both are in parallel, and B dash is the internal node. And here considering IC is the collector current and VC is the biasing voltage. So this is considered in CE configuration, and the emit transistor we have considered is a PNP transistor. And coming to the definition of transconductance, GM is defined as the ratio of rate of change of collector current to the rate of change of VB dash E at a constant VC. So this is the definition of the transconductance. It is a ratio of collector current to the VB dash E at a constant VCE. So here we know that collector current can be defined as IC is equals to alpha IE plus IC naught. Here alpha is the amplification factor and IC naught is the saturation current. So applying partial differentiation on both sides we have. So here applying partial differentiation, here IC and IE are the only variable ones and IC naught is the constant. That is why we are left with dou IC is equals to alpha into dou IE, and consider IC is equals to alpha I into IC naught as equation 1. Therefore we know that GM is equals to IC by so here dou IC can be replaced with alpha into delta IE by, so here VB dash E can be represented as VE, because from circuit we can say that VB dash E and VE are both are parallel voltages. Here RE is the emitter diode resistance, which is given by RE is equals to dou VE by dou IE. Therefore GM can be written as alpha by RE, and RE is also called as dynamic resistance, which is equals to RE is equals to VT by IE. Then GM is equals to alpha IE by VT. So here from equation 1 we can write alpha is equals to IC minus IC naught. So therefore Gm is equal to IC minus IC naught by Vt. So here Gm can be written as IC by Vt when IC is so far greater than IC naught. That means collector current is very much greater than the IC naught. So here this is the final expression for transconductance. Gm is equals to IC by Vt. So here IC is called collector current and Vt is the thermal voltage. So here determination of input conductance Gb dash E. So consider hybrid pi model at low frequency. Here because we have considered hybrid pi model at low frequency, there are no capacitances Cc and Ce and remaining all are same. So here this is the hybrid pi model at low frequency. And coming to the derivation, so here RB dash E is so far greater than RB dash E and RCE. Therefore, the entire current IB flows through RB dash E only. Therefore, IB can be written as, therefore VB dash E can be written as VB dash E is equals to RB dash E into IB, and because RB dash E is so far greater than RCE, then the entire current IC is equals to GM into VB dash E, but VB dash E is equals to RB dash E into IB, so IC can be written as GM into RB dash E into IB. So here we can write like, therefore IC by IB can be written as GM into RB dash E. Consider this one as equation 1. So consider H parameter model of a C configuration at low frequency, and here consider IB is the input current and IC is the collector current and emitter is grounded. HIE is the input impedance and HREVC is the voltage source, HFIB is the current source, H0 is the output admittance. So here from this circuit IC can be written as so IC is equals to HFE into IB plus H0E into VCE. So here if output is short circuited, that is VCE equal to 0, then IC can be written as HFE into IB. So from this relation IC by IB, which is equals to HFE. So consider this one as equation 2. So determination of feedback conductance Gb dash C. So from H parameter of C circuit, VBE can be written as IB into HIE plus HRE into VCE. If IB is equals to 0, that is input is open circuited, then VBE, which is also called as input voltage VI, which is equals to HRE into VCE. So consider this one as equation 1. So consider hybrid pi model. In that IB is equals to 0, then we have to draw the entire circuit for to know about the circuit operation of that circuit. So here If IB is equals to 0, then consider the current. So which is equals to VB dash, so which is also equals to VC. So consider current B I1. So consider hybrid pi model of a transistor. Here IB is equals to 0. Then consider a current I1 which flows from RB dash C to RB dash E, and VC is the output voltage. Then I1 can be written as VCE by RB dash C by plus RB dash E. So from this VB dash E can be written as I1 into RB dash E, so which is equals to VB dash E can be written as I1, we have already calculated, VCE by RB dash C plus RB dash E into RB dash E. So this is the expression for VB dash. So here IB is equals to 0 means input is going to be open circuited, then there is no IB current flows into the B dash. So we have considered a current called I1 which flows from collector to the emitter, and so that is why we considered I1 as the current here, so which is equals to which flows from collector to the emitter. So here Vi is equals to Vb dash E. From equation 1, Vi can be written as HRE into Vc, and we have just now calculated Vb dash E is nothing but what, Rb dash E into Vca by Rb dash C plus Rb dash E. So we can cancel Vce and another Vca. So if you solve this one, we can write or get like this: Rb dash is equals to 1 minus HRE by HRE into RB dash E. So here, and HRE is so far less than 1, then RB dash C is equals to 1 by HRE into RB dash E. So from this relation, GB dash C, which is nothing but what, feedback conductance, can be written as 1 by RB dash C, which is equals to GB dash E, which is the reciprocal of RB dash E into HRE. So this is the final expression for feedback conductance. So consider H parameter model of CE circuit. So from that circuit, IC can be written as HFE into IB plus HOE into VCE. If IB is equals to 0, that is input is open circuited, then IC becomes, so IC is equals to H naught E into VCE. So from this relation, H naught T can be written as IC by VCE. So from hybrid pi model, we can write IC as VC by RC plus GM VB dash E plus I1. So this I1 we have already calculated in the previous discussion of feedback conductance. So here IC can be written as VCE by RCE plus GM VB dash E plus, we have calculated the expression for I1 which is equals to VCE by RB dash E plus RB dash E. So when input is open circuited in hybrid pi model, then VB dash E can be written as HRE into VCE. So this expression VB dash into HRE into VCE, we have taken this expression from the previous discussion of feedback conductance. So substitute this VB dash E value here, we can get. So So IC is equals to VCE by RCE plus, so we have to substitute VB dash E here. GM is equals to HRE into VCE plus VCE by RB dash E plus RB dash C. Here VCE is common in all the expressions, so we can write like this. So IC by VCE, so which is equals to 1 by RCE plus, so we can write here 1 by RB dash E plus RB dash C, which is equals to GM into R. So here IC by VC is nothing but what? HRE. 1 by RC is nothing but what? Reciprocal of resistance is conductance. Here RB dash C is so far rather than RB dash C, so we are left with 1 by RB dash C only. So 1 by RB dash C is nothing but what? GB dash C. And all of you here, GM is nothing but what? HFE into GB dash C, and HRE also we can write like this: GB dash C by GB dash E. So this GB dash E and this will be cancelled. Therefore HRE becomes GCE plus GB dash C plus HFE into GB dash C. So we can write HRE as GCE plus, so here we can take a common GB dash C, which is equals to 1 plus HFE. So from this expression we have to calculate the output conductance. So GC can be written as HRE minus GB dash C into 1 plus HFE. So this is the final expression for output conductance of transistor at high frequency. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write HFE is equals to GM into RB dash E, but GM is nothing but IC by VT. This one we have already calculated. So HFE can be written as HFE is equals to IC by VT into RB dash E. From this relation GB dash E can be written as GB dash E is equals to 1 by RB dash E, so which is equals to IC by HFE VT. So this is the final expression for GB dash E. Input conductance.